What if I told you that AI could make you money while you sleep? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam, this is real, scalable, and happening right now. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a business partner that works 24/7, automating tasks, creating content, and even running entire businesses for you. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful AI side hustles that require little to no experience, run on autopilot, and can generate serious income. Stick around to the end, and I'll reveal a bonus AI tool that can do 90% of the work for you. Chapter 1: AI-powered YouTube automation. YouTube automation is one of the hottest AI side hustles right now, and the best part? You don't even need to show your face or record your voice. AI does 90% of the work. Here's how it works: AI script writing, AI voiceovers, AI video editing, and AI thumbnail generation, all automated. You can make anywhere from $500 to $10,000/month** through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing without ever filming a video yourself. Chapter 2: AI-powered print on demand. Imagine selling thousands of t-shirts, mugs, and posters without ever touching inventory. AI-powered print on demand is changing the game. Here's how it works: AI generates designs, uploads them to stores, and fulfills orders automatically, turning your creativity into passive income. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can create a print-on-demand store that makes $1,000 to $15,000 per month on autopilot. Chapter 3: AI blogging and content writing. Blogging might sound outdated, but with AI, it's one of the most profitable side hustles out there. With AI writing blog posts, optimizing SEO, and managing monetization, you can build multiple websites that generate income 24/7. Chapter 4: AI trading bots. What if you could have an AI that trades stocks or crypto 24/7 while you sleep? AI trading bots make it possible. AI trading bots predict trends, execute trades, and optimize portfolios, giving you a powerful edge in the market. Bonus: the ultimate AI automation tool. As promised, here's a game-changer: Zapier AI. This tool connects apps and automates workflows so your side hustle runs on autopilot. Now you know how AI can build multiple income streams while you sleep. Which side hustle will you start first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because in the next video, I'm revealing AI tools that can replace full-time jobs.